Hi, I'm logged on to comrado.com and they have this pretty neat feature called augmented reality. All you need to do is find the paper ad for Zippo and then you log on to the website, enable the webcam, and then you hold up the press ad. First you can see the clock coming out. It spits out a monitor lizard and then the pelican, and then the pelican spits out the catfish, and the catfish the Zippo. Lifetime warranty. Pretty cool, huh? Once you're done playing with the demo, you can check out the crocodile. Just simply click on the button on the right hand side of the window and watch the crocodile walk about while holding the advertisement up. To register to win yourself a free Zippo lighter, you can fill in your details, your name, your address, your email, your contact number, date of birth, and answer the simple question, in which order do the animals appear, and then click send.
Thank you very much for the Zippo.
Yes, of course, that's yours.
Thank you.
So happy to have one of our hobbies. Congratulations.